Hello guys, review smartphone Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. This version 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. Okay, 256. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, protected back cover, device in the black color, adapter for charging with supercharge, and Type-C cable. Device made of glass and plastic. On the back side, triple camera. On the front side, 6.7-inch display. On this side, power button and volume buttons. Power button with fingerprint scanner. On this side, without controls, headphone jack, speaker on the upside, downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and slot for 2 nano SIM cards. Okay, turn on device. We have Full HD display, AMOLED matrix, 120 Hz refresh rate. Open settings. About phone we have MIUI Global 14.0.3, Android 12. Look into the benchmark results. We have MediaTek Dimensity 1080, and run GTA San Andreas. Perfect gameplay. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.